Hey, what's up, folks? This is Keith, and you're watching Barber's Auto Help. Thank you so much for watching. Well, the other day I had an '09 Ford Focus with a no crank, no start situation. Let me show you that footage. Now, this is actually a pretty common problem with the Ford Focus, I believe from about 2008-ish to 2011, and it also affects the Mercury Mariner and the Ford Escape. And the issue is the ignition lock housing. It's not actually the ignition switch, it's the lock housing that goes between the tumbler and the ignition switch. And typically when you have this problem, you can push in on the key while you're trying to crank the vehicle, and it usually will crank for you. So if you've got that situation where that's actually cranking it up, you probably need to have this part replaced. And this is a picture of that part that I'm talking about right here. And I'll post a link down in the description to this part. It's readily available all over the place. You don't have to necessarily buy a part from this particular link that I give you down in the description there. And I'm not affiliated with this link or the business behind this link in any way. I'm just trying to help you out and point you in the right direction. So just check that out. And unfortunately, I don't have a repair video on this yet, but I do hope to have one day, and if I do, I will definitely post a link down in the description for you. You're free to watch that whenever it becomes available, if it becomes available. So if you have any questions, please comment down below, guys. I'll be happy to get back to you. Also, please read the entire description down below this video before you apply any of this knowledge. I may need to clarify some things. That's where I do that, so please read that and read the disclaimer at the very end. Thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe.